Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a video in Mailchimp email. This is mailchimp.com, and first I will log in to my account. To show you how to add a video in Mailchimp, I will create a regular email as an example. Let's go directly to the design email step. Let's work with this free template. And now to add a video, you just add or just select this add block from this menu and drag and move it into your email. Now fill in your YouTube or Vimeo video URL here. Let's add this YouTube video here. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And just like that, your video is added to your email. Let's preview it live. And this is how to add a video in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.